Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. So today I am here with a new recruitment notification from RBI. So this is for with respect to specialist officer of RBI. So you might have heard with respect to SBI SO and IBPS SO, that is specialist officer for IBPS and SBI. Likewise for RBI also specialist officer recruitment takes place, and this requires different eligibility criteria. Let us look into all those things. So this is just a paper cutting which I have got, and now let me explain that. So this is the cutoff, that is the of the paper where RBI has released its recruitment notice. So this is with respect to law. So law students, and this is with respect to civil, and this is with respect to electrical, and this is with respect to architect, and this is with respect to archivist. So I'll explain this. So as you can see, these are the specific. You can after seeing this, you will know the requirement of the specific degree. So you need to have law. Here you need to have civil engineering, electrical engineering, and you need to be an architect. And archivist is nothing but maintaining the old records of RBI. So RBI has one specific place where it maintains all the records of its documents. So an senior archivist has to be done. So as you can see, these are also Group B posts. So Group B, and this is Grade A. Grade A. Okay. So in the RBI, SEBI, and NABARD, the in almost all the regulatory bodies, the Grade A is the least one. So after seeing this, you may think in departments and all, Group A is the highest post, whereas in these regulatory bodies, Grade A is the least part. So after Grade A, Grade B. So Grade B is higher than Grade A in position. So this is how you need to think. Okay. So these are the details that has been released, and the complete notification will be released tomorrow, I guess. So after that. I'll explain the complete details also. So please share this video, because most of them will not be having knowledge of all these things, because nobody will knowing that RBI also recruits for specialist officer, and with such different categories of degree that is required. And you can see the dates are also have been mentioned. So according to that, application will be done. So after getting the complete detailed notification of RBI SO, so the thing will be present, and the exam date is also present, March 6, 2022. March 6. So last year the RBI Grade B normal recruitment was also held on March 6. So by this you will get to know that this time RBI Grade B notification will be delayed 100%. So if this lot has been booked for RBI SO, then RBI Grade B notification will surely delay by some days. So not sure about it, because still RBI assistant is also pending. Don't know when they'll recruit all these things. So but still, keep your preparation like the way you're reading now itself, because if you leave the preparation now, then it will be difficult in the future to cope up with the changing things. Don't know, because still the COVID cases are also rising, and there can be any disruptions in the examination also, examination cycle. So please don't give up your preparation. So this was the complete details. So when I get the complete detail notification, I'll again explain you about all the requirements. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.